Hey, Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and today we are talking about time management and planning for your business. If you are not doing that, you are going to see a lot of big gap of no progress, and that is not going to make you happy. So how do you keep moving? So you need to have a planner for your business and learn time management. So what do I mean by that? So I will give you my example. Right now this is pandemic time, and everybody is home, staying home, and you have a lot of extra stuff to do than usual. Right now you have to cook at home, you have to stock your groceries, and you have to do a lot of stuff. Before it was not like that. You could have gone out at a restaurant, you could eat there, you could have ordered groceries online. Right now you cannot even order groceries online because my shop over here, Stop and Shop, is already booked for the next 2 months, where I used to order my groceries. Only you can order at Amazon. What I mean is there is a lot of extra stuff to do right now. If you are not paying attention to your business, then you can fall behind, and you are going to see a lot of big gap of no progress, and that is not going to make you happy. So how do you stay on track? I will give you tips for the time management. For time management, you have to plan your day a night ahead. If you woke up in the morning and then you're saying, what am I supposed to do? Then you are already falling behind. You were supposed to plan your day last night, so that you are not thinking what I'm going to do. You already know what you have to do, and then you are taking action on that, and you are accomplishing that. But if you woke up and you're thinking, what should I do, and then you did one task and then you think, what should I do next, that is going to waste your lot of precious time, which is very important. Time is money. So plan your night ahead. Plan your work a night ahead. When you are sleeping, plan your next day, and write it on your to-do list, or just simply grab a piece of paper, and if you have a planner, then it's good, write down in your planner or on a piece of paper how your day is going to go tomorrow. Just plan it one night before, so that you do not panic when you wake up that what I am going to do today. And if you are like me, in that you are into network marketing, then you have to plan your every launch, your every task ahead of time. So what do I mean? When I launched my coaching program in the beginning of this year. I was going to coach people online, and I launched it in the February, and then we started the coaching program in March, and I ended in 5 weeks. For that, I already planned out everything on this calendar in January, February, March, and April. So you can see over here, I marked over here that I am going to end my coaching program on this date, and I did end on that date. And I wrote down here that I am going to launch in February, and I launched my coaching program in February. I opened enrollment in February, and then I enrolled people, and then I started in March, and I finished in April. So you have to map out everything on your calendar, on your planner, whichever task you are going to accomplish. If you have already mapped out on your planner or your calendar, then you have already accomplished it in some place. So when you have accomplished in some place, then you are going to follow that map. You have that in your mind, and now your conscious mind and your subconscious mind is going to follow that. If you do not map out like this on the calendar or on your planner, then your mind does not know where to go and how to move forward. So this is very important piece of time management, mapping out your tasks and launch and everything on a piece of planner, on a paper or calendar, or when I launched my book in 2018, December 2018, I think I already talked about that. I went to the Staples and I bought a big sheet, and I I planned everything for 2 months on that thing, and this is how I launched and published my book. For everything, even a small task, you have to map out the time period when you are going to start that task, when that task is in progress, and when you are going to finish that task. So that gives a map to your mind, and that things gets accomplished in time. So if you don't do that, then there is usually procrastination going on in our mind, so that takes over. When you have already mapped out, you have already planned in the planner, you have already said that I am going to do this by this date, then it gets done. So that is very important piece of time management and planning for your business, so that you keep moving forward instead of seeing a big gap of no growth, and then you think, oh my god, how I'm gonna cover this and how I'm gonna do all this those tasks which I finished. So before that happens, plan your every task and your business ahead of time, and plan your things one night before, so that when you wake up you are ready to go. You do not see a big gap of no growth. So that is all for today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment, did you find this video helpful, and let me know which other type of video you want me to make. If you have any suggestion for the topic, please drop it in the comment, then I will make a video on that. And see you again. Bye.